Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video in Photoshop we are going to create some passport size photos. In this particular case I'm going to create passport size photos of India. So the size may vary according to the countries. So for India there is a fixed size of passport size photos which is in centimeters. Width is 3.5 centimeter and the height is 4.5 centimeter. Resolution, as we are not going to print it, or even if we going to print it, the photo size is very small, so we can keep the resolution at lower size, because even if we want to upload the photos it shouldn't create any problem. So we are going to keep the resolution at 200 pixel per inches. It doesn't really matter, but for safety I'm keeping it to 200. So I'm going I beg your pardon, there are plenty of methods or ways to create passport size photos, but I'm using simplest way according to me. Now there are certain rules while taking a passport size photo or the photo used for passport. So in this case this may not be the ideal photo for passport, because as you can see there are some hair in front of this lady's face, so this might not be the ideal photo. But as I'm using this simply as an example, so it doesn't really matter, only the way matters over here. So now as I have created this photo, now I'm going to make sure that the resolution is also 200. Now this is our file, the passport size. I'm going to drag and drop this photo over here. So this is how it will look. So using the move tool I'm going to make it a bit smaller so that it will fit in the particular document that we have created, like this. So I think this looks pretty good, because for passport we need the entire face to begin with, then the eye should be open, and there are plenty of rules. You can find it out from the internet, you can search it on Google, you will find out the rules. So this looks pretty good. Now if you want to use it for uploading, you can simply go to file and save as. I will save it on desktop. I will name it, let's say, pass1, and keep it to JPEG format. Now make sure that you are saving it within the size that is required for uploading. Presently it is 121 KB, so this should be fine, but you can always decrease the size if you want to, like this, but make sure you do not decrease it too much so that the quality get distorted. So make sure the quality is also okay and the size is also within the limit. So this looks okay. So I have created this particular photo. You can upload this simply choosing the browse option from anywhere that you are trying to upload it. Now if you want to create it, or if you want to print this particular photo, then in India the general size for printing or the photo printing is 6 by 4 inches, 6 inches height, width, and 4 inches height. This is the regularly used printing size, and I'm going to keep the resolution at 300, because since we are going to print it, it will be better if you keep it to 300 so that the quality will be better. It doesn't really matter, but still I'm going to keep it to 300 since we are going to print it. Now I'm going to drag this particular photo in our document. Before that I'm going to merge these two layers. Just select both the layers by pressing and holding Control key or Command in Mac, and press Control E, so the layers get merged together. Now I'm going to drag this particular photo, and we can make multiple photos and we can give it for printing. Now there are different ways to copy a particular layer. You can simply right click and you can duplicate layer, or you can simply press Ctrl J or Command J for duplicate. You can also use the layer menu like new layer from copy, but I'm going to use the Alt key or the Option key in Mac. So press and hold the Alt key and drag it. Again press Shift key for alignment. Now select both the layers by pressing and holding Control key. Now copy them together like this. Again copy them together. Now as you can see, the spacing between the photos is inconsistent. So make sure that you select all the photos first by pressing and holding Control key, and you can also click on the topmost or the bottommost layer, and you can simply press and hold Shift key and select the other end of the photo layer. So all the photos or all the layers will be selected. Now use this option from the property bar or the control panel, distribute horizontally, so it will adjust the spacing and the spacing will be consistent. Now they will be equally spaced. Now again, as we have already selected all the layers, now again press and hold the Alt key or the Option key in the Mac and Shift for alignment and place it over here, maybe using the arrow key again. So looks pretty good, simple as that. Now again I'm going to click over here and press and hold Shift key and click the bottommost layer, and you can change the position of all the photos together. Keep it accordingly as per your liking. Now our print is ready. You can save this using the save as option. I'm going to keep it to again JPG. JPEG is the best option that you can select while printing any photograph. Now I'm going to name it maybe pass 6x4. You can name it whatever you want. And as we are using this for printing, keep the value, the quality at maximum, because it doesn't really matter because we are using it for printing. So we don't have to decrease the size as we are not going to upload this. Press OK. Just check whether it is done properly or not. So it looks pretty good. You can directly give this particular file for printing, and you can cut the photos as per your requirement. So this is how you can create a passport size photo both for uploading and for printing as well. So I hope this video may prove useful for you, and I hope you like the video. If you do, please give me a like and subscribe. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye and cheers.